In Matrix, we have a tab called Tasks. The tasks are linked to various projects, and you can view the status of different tasks here. You can filter by status, projects, or assignments up here. You can view it in Grid View, Kanban View, or Gantt View. When you look at the Grid View, you can see that one of them is red. It's because it needs attention. You can change the status here, or you can just drag and drop them right here. If you want to add a task, then you go into Projects, you go to the project, go into the Tasks, then you add a task into your title. Then you make a description, set a status, and assign a priority. You can mark it as a milestone or as a recurring task. Then you can add a dependency if you know that the task relies on another task. From here, you can assign it to an employee and input the estimated hours down here. You save it, you add the employee, and you can add another employee if you wish. Then you input the start date and the end date, and you create the task. You'll see it appear here. When we go into the tasks, we can see it right here, but we want it in a to-do status, so we drag it down here instead.